Chapter number 2, Herbal Cosmetics, from subject Industrial Natural Product. Definition. Contents. First, definition of herbal cosmetics and advantages. Next one, cosmetics for hair. Herbal cosmetics for hair. Next one, herbal cosmetics for hair conditioner and darkeners and herbal skincare preparation. In that example, first definition. What are herbal cosmetics? Herbal cosmetics are the preparation containing phytochemical from a variety of botanical source which influences the function of skin and provide nutrients necessary for healthy skin or hair. Advantages of herbal cosmetics over chemical based cosmetics. Herbal cosmetics are lower cost, side effects free, environmental friendly and safe to use. Drawback or disadvantages. Hypersensitivity due to presence of pollen grains and natural allergens. And next one is the prone to microbial attack. First, we say about herbal cosmetics for hair. Function of herbal cosmetics or use of herbal cosmetics are for the purpose of lubrication, conditioning, hair growth, cleansing, maintenance of hair color and medication purpose. Advantages of herbal cosmetics for hair are they are pure and organic ingredients, free from surfactants like SL, skin friendly, free from side effects and no synthetic additives. Next one is the herbal shampoo. Herbal shampoo are the herbal preparation that with the help of traditional Ayurvedic herbs meant for the cleansing hair and scalp. Examples are soap nut, also known as soap berries or Ritha. Biological source. It contains dried fruit berries obtained from various species of genus Sapindus like Sapindus saponaria, Sapindus laurifolius, Sapindus dilavai and Sapindus trifoliatus belonging to family Sapindaceae. Cultivation and geographical source. It is native to warm temperature to tropical regions. Cultivated in India, mainly in South India and Himalaya, also in China. Morphology. Leaves are alternate 15 to 40 cm long. Flowers are small, creamy white in color. Fruit are small, leathery, skinned 1 to 2 cm in diameter. Yellow ripening blackish color containing 1 to 3 seeds. Chemical constituents mainly contains fatty acid, that is arachidic acid, behenic acid, linoleic acid, oleic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid and oleanolic acid and sapindic acid. The seed contains saponin glycoside, that is trifolioside A, sapindicide C, sapindicide D, sapindicide E and beta sitosterol. These are the structure of sapindic acid and trifoliatus second. Chemical test. First one is the foaming test, next foam stability and cleaning efficacy. Of these are all about soap nut. Use. Soap nuts are used for foaming agent in shampoo, also used as detergent, used in hair conditioner and in herbal face wash due to its foaming property. Next one is the hair conditioner and hair darkener. Hair conditioner are the hair care product used to improve the feel, appearance and manageability of hair. Purpose of hair conditioner are to reduce friction between hair strands, hair repairing, hair straightening and reduction in split ends. Hair dye can generally be described as a colored substance. Hair dye or hair darkener are generally be described as a color substance that has an affinity to the fiber, fur or hair. Example are amla, henna, hibiscus, tea, etc. Amla, also known as Imbilica. Biological source. It contains dried as well as fresh fruits of plant Imbilica officinalis belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. Cultivation and geographical source. Amla tree is found growing in the plains and sub-mountain on the tracts all over the India and Indian subcontinent. Morphology. Leaves are simple, subsessile, light green, resembling pinnate leaves. Flowers are greenish to yellow in color. Fruits. Nearly spherical, light greenish to yellow in color, quite smooth and hard on appearance, with 6 vertical strips or furrows. Taste is sour, bitter and astringent. Chemical constituent of amla are phylembine, ascorbic acid, vitamin C. It is the rich source of amla. Amla, it is a rich source of vitamin C. Next one, gallic acid, tannins and pectin. Chemical test for amla is aqueous extract of amla plus ferric chloride. It gives blue color. Next test is aqueous extract of amla plus gelatin plus sodium chloride solution. It gives milky white color. Uses. Amla is used in preparation of hair conditioner, also in preparation of hair dyes, in preparation of skin products. Also it is used as a antioxidant and source of vitamin C. So it increases immunity. Next one is the henna or mehndi. It consists of dried leaves obtained from plant Lawsonia inermis belonging to family Lithariaceae. Cultivation and geographical source. The henna plant is native to northern Africa, western and southern Asia and northern Australia in semi-arid zones and tropical areas. It is cultivated in India, China. It produces most dye when grown in temperature between 35 to 45 degrees centigrade. Morphology. Henna is a tall shrub or small tree standing 1.8 to 7.6 meter tall. Leaves are opposite to each other, lanceolate, subsessile. Fruit are small brownish capsule. Ovary is 4-celled, 5 millimeter long. Chemical constituent of henna are sugars, fraxanthin, tannin, gallic acid, lawson, resin, coumarins, beta-sitosterol, cosmosin, 1,4-naphthoquinone, etc. Use of henna as a hair colorant, as hair conditioner, as temporary tattoos, dye for nails and clothing, etc. Due to coloring nature, it will be used in all this. Next one is the hibiscus, means jaswan, or also known as rose mallow or China rose. It is obtained from various species of hibiscus like Hibiscus archeri, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, belonging to family Malvaceae. Cultivation and geographical source. Genus is quite large, comprising several hundred species that are native to warm temperature, subtropical and tropical regions throughout the world. It is cultivated largely in China, in India. Next, morphology. Leaves are alternate ovate with lobed margin. Flowers are large, conspicuous, trumpet shaped with 5 or more petals. They are varied in color, that is white, pink, orange in color, 4 to 18 centimeter long. Chemical constituent: tannin, anthraquinones, quinines, phenols, flavonoids, alkaloids, terpenoids, saponin, cardiac glycoside, protein, free amino acid, carbohydrates, essential oil, and steroid. These are the main chemical constituents of hibiscus. Uses: hibiscus are used for the purpose of hair conditioner, in hair oils. Roots are used for cup treatment. Leaves used as a laxative. Flowers show antidiarrheal property. Behind the conditioner, hair conditioner, they also show other activity or uses. Next one is the tea. It consists of dried leaves obtained from Thea sinensis and other species of Camellia or Camellia sinensis, Camellia angustifolia, belonging to family Theaceae. Cultivation and geographical source: mainly cultivated in tropical and subtropical climate in areas with at least 127 centimeter of rainfall in a year. Tea plants prefer rich and moist growing location in full to part sun and can be grown in hardiness zone 7 to 9. Tea is mainly cultivated in India, mainly in Uti and Assam. Next in Nepal and China. Morphology: evergreen shrub usually trimmed to below 2 meter when cultivated for its leaves. Leaves are light green in color, 4 to 15 centimeter long and 2 to 5 centimeter broad. Main chemical constituent of tea are caffeine, epigallocatechin, epigallocatechin gallate, epicatechin gallate, and epicatechin. Main uses of tea are: it is used as a hair dye, hair conditioner, to cure acne and improve skin. Also, it is used in treatment for urinary tract infection. Next one is the natural skin care. Herbal natural skin care are uses topically in creams and lotions made up of ingredients available in nature. Example of natural skin care are aloe, turmeric, lemon peel, and vetiver. Benefits of herbal natural skin care are: they are lower in cost, side effect free, environmental friendly, safe to use, long term effect, and skin friendly. Disadvantages are hypersensitivity due to pollen grains and natural allergens, prone to microbial attack. Example are herbal skin care are aloe. Aloe is also known as Ghrita Kumari. Biological source: it consists of dried juice collected by incision from the bases of the leaves of various species of aloe like Aloe barbadensis, Aloe ferox, etc., belonging to family Liliaceae. Cultivation and geographical source: cultivated in West Indies. Soil required after the rainy season in rows situated at a distance of 60 centimeter. In the natives collected the second year leaves. Aloe vera is considered to be native only to the southwest Arabian Peninsula. It has been widely cultivated around the world and has become naturalized in North Africa. Species was introduced to China and various parts of southern Europe in the 17th century. It is cultivated in India, mainly in Himalaya. Morphology: aloe vera is stemless or very short stemmed plant growing to 60 to 100 centimeter tall, spreading by offset. Leaves are thick and fleshy, green to grey green. The margin of the leaf is serrated and has small white teeth. Flowers produced in summer on a spike up to 19 centimeter tall, each flower being pendulous with a yellow tubular corolla 2 to 3 centimeter long. Aloe mainly categorized as a Curatio aloe and Cape aloe according to their properties. Color: Curatio aloe are brownish black opaco mass, where Cape aloe is dark brown or greenish brown to olive brown mass. Odor of Curatio aloe is strong odor, resemble with iodoform. Cape aloe is sour and distinct odor. Taste is: Curatio aloe have intense bitter taste, while Cape aloe have nauseating and bitter taste. Texture: Curatio aloe is waxy and somewhat resinous, while Cape aloe is breaks with a glassy fraction. Chemical constituent of aloe is: it consists of 30% aloin, that is mixture of barbaloin, beta-barbaloin and isobarbaloin. Also, it consists of aloe inside A and aloe inside B. Chemical taste of aloe. First one, borax taste. 10 ml solution, that is aloe juice or aloe solution, plus 5 gram borax. It gives green fluorescence due to aloe emodin. Next one is the bromine taste. Equal volume of bromine solution plus aloe solution. It gives bulky yellow pipette of tetrabromaloin is formed. Uses: aloe is used as a skin moisturizer, sun protection, nourishment of skin, antioxidant and antimicrobial and purgative. Next example is herbal skin care is turmeric or haldi. It consists dried as well as fresh rhizomes obtained from plant Curcuma longa belonging to family Gingiberaceae. Cultivation and geographical source: turmeric is native to Indonesia and southern India, where it has been harvested for more than 5,000 years. The crop requires hot and moist climate, liberal water supply and well drained soil. Morphology: ovate and cylindrical, 14 to 7 cm long and 1 to 2 cm wide. Horny fracture. Color: yellow to yellowish brown externally, yellow to yellow orange internally. Taste: aromatic and bitter. Chemical constituent of turmeric are curcuminoids, non-volatile, that is non-volatile coloring matter. Next one is the curcumin, desmethoxycurcumin, volatile oils, gingiberine, turmeron, phellandrine, cineol, borneol and curcumon. Chemical test for turmeric: powdered turmeric plus sulfuric acid, it gives crimson color. Next test is aqueous solution of turmeric plus boric acid, it gives reddish brown. Color changes to greenish blue when alkali is added. Next one is the powdered turmeric plus concentrated H2SO4 plus acetic anhydride, it gives violet color. Under UV it shows red fluorescence. Uses: turmeric provide nourishment to skin. It is also used as a coloring agent in cosmetics, in respiratory diseases, to lower the blood cholesterol level, externally applied in paints and brushes, in spices, also used as a spices, also possesses antimicrobial activity. Next one is the lemon peel. Herbal skin care, used as a herbal skin care, also known as Cortex limonis. Lemon peel is the outer part of the pericarp of ripe or nearly ripe fruits of Citrus limonis, belonging to family Rutaceae. Cultivation and geographical source. It is indigenous to North India, cultivated on large scale in countries like Spain, Italy, Sicily. It is also cultivated in California, Jamaica, Australia and India. In India mainly in Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Punjab and Maharashtra. Morphology. Color. Fresh lemon peel is bright green yellow, internally white. Dried peel show yellow outer surface and inner peaty white. Odor. Strong, fragrant, aromatic and characteristic odor. Taste. Aromatic, bitter. Fruits. Ovoid in shape, 5 to 12 centimeter length. Peels are irregular in shape and outer surface is rough due to presence of numerous minute pits. Chemical constituent of limonene are hesperidin, pectin, limonene and citral. Chemical taste. Fresh solution of lemon peel plus 3 volume of alcohol. It gives neutral to slightly acidic solution. Use of lemon peel. It is used for the purpose of nourishes skin, used as a carminative, stimulant, perfuming agent. Next one is the vetiver. Biological source. It is obtained by steam distillation of roots of plant Vetiveria zizanoides belonging to family Gramineae. Cultivation and geographical source. Cultivated by sowing seeds or from slips. Well drained sandy loam is most suitable for the cultivation. Temperature ranging from 25 to 38 degrees centigrade and rainfall for 100 to 200 centimeter. Cultivated in Indonesia, Malaysia, Iceland, Caribbean island and United States. Plant is found growing in India, mainly in Punjab, Rajasthan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Also cultivated in Myanmar, Sri Lanka, East and West Africa. Morphology. Vetiver grows to 15 centimeter high and form clumps as wide. Leaves can become up to 300 centimeter long and 8 millimeter wide. Panicles 15 to 30 centimeter long and have hold. Stem are erect and stiff. Chemical constituent. Vetiver contains vetiverol, vetivin, beta-vetione and delta-selenin. Vetiver oil is used to treat acne, to treat sores and boils, as antiseptic, as perfumes, in formulation of skin care creams, in formulation of soaps. Thank you.